Deb.
I'm so excited.
So glad you're here.
Yes.
Let me show you the spa. Okay. All of our retail products go hand in hand with the services that we offer at the spa. We have several different things from weight loss, body contouring. One of my new favorite products is the adaptogen, just adapts to whatever you need. Collagen, CBD, anything that can go hand in hand and be added to any of our services. We carry a full skincare line of Eminence products. It's a natural product from Hungary that all fruits and vegetables, no pesticides. It's what people are really trying to heal their skin with. Our estheticians use them in all of their services, and then we have the full line of products. We always carry a full retail line of gifts depending on the season that's going on. Just got done with Mother's Day, so we still have a few Mother's Day gifts out. This is our reception area. We always have 2 staff members to welcome our guests and to check our guests out. So our full check-in and check-out process is all handled here. And if you follow me down the hall, we have several treatment rooms that I'd like to show you some of the things that we do. The building is fully equipped for workroom type of therapy. For our therapists back here, we have linens, we have computer work, soap notes, anything that any type of therapist is needing to do back here. So we also offer teeth whitening, relaxation room for people that are doing IV therapy. We have the infrared sauna that is done hand in hand with some of our treatments, as well as just people coming in to use the sauna for any of the services from a detoxing standpoint, muscle relaxation, or whatever it is that they're looking for at the time. This is one of our massage rooms. We have several massage therapists on staff. This room is also used for our couples massages, and it is also used individually for any of our Atsiachu massage that is all done through the feet. If you haven't ever had that done, I would highly recommend doing so. These rooms are completely carpeted. All of them are with the indoor-outdoor type of carpet, so any type of business can do very well on this type of flooring. An additional massage room. We do sports therapy massage in here as well as regular relaxation massage. All of the furniture and fixtures go with the building. We have an area for our guests to have water or tea while they're waiting for their service. Again, all of the furniture and fixtures are included. The relaxation area here is where our guests will sit and wait for their treatments, and then they're also brought back in here in between treatments or before they check out. On this side of the building, we have our estheticians' rooms. This type of treatments, everything that is done in these rooms, from all of the equipment for facials, waxing, any type of body treatment, scrubs, anything of that nature. This is the room, this is the workroom with the washer, dryer, prep room, dishwasher, refrigerator, everything that can be utilized for workspace. Restroom in here, as well as our changing room, to where our guests can change into their robes before treatments and get themselves freshened up after any treatments. We have a room here on the side that's one of our smaller rooms that is right now being used for spray tanning. This is done in here. Again, all the furniture, fixtures, and equipment are included. Another esthetician room here. This one's a little bit bigger and spread out a little bit more. People that are doing massage and facial that are wanting to do both within the same appointment, these beds can duplicate for facial and massage. We come down the hallway to the other wing of the building. It completely opens up for several other options for people to use. There is plumbing through the side of the building. This is currently our manicure and pedicure room. We do have rooms set up available for any type of treatment that, again, water is needed. Physicians, it's excellent for any type of physician visiting, for the size of the bed, the functionality of the bed, as well as having everything able to sanitize in there. This room is our cryoskin and body contouring room. Again, all the furniture, fixtures, equipment that plays into therapy for infrared sauna, people with headaches. Our therapists work in this room when we turn on steam, that type of thing, when people are trying to get their muscles lubricated up and before treatments. The back side of the building wraps around. This is used for consultation desk for anybody that doesn't want to have the consultation part done in their rooms. We have it set up, again, with all the countertops and everything to where any therapist can set up their own station here for any consultative type of thing, paperwork for therapists and or any of the clients. So coming back around the side of it, it just literally makes a circle. So we have another half bath in here. This is a kind of an overflow workroom for us right now. We have so much going on that we're constantly putting machines in whatever room they'll fit to accommodate the customers that are needing appointments for the day. This is an employee bathroom as well, to where most of our stuff is on mobile carts to where we can take it into any room, but it's kind of overflow for sanitization and any prep that needs to be done on this side of the building. So then it just wraps back around to the front, to the area where people will come in and then check out.
Wendy, that's fabulous. Let's go look at the menu of services and sign me up.
Sounds great. We'll come right back through the spa.